everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun review for you guys featuring the JuJuBe Be Right Back in the brand new Disney JuJuBe print collaboration, Sensational Snacks. And I love this print, you guys. When I saw it online, I wasn't so sure I was gonna love it. But when it arrived, I was just obsessed. And I actually even ended up buying my little guy Colton his own backpack for Christmas. So shh, don't tell him. But I ended up buying him the midi because I loved this print so much for him. He is obsessed with Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, but this is all classic Mickey and I just love it so much. But something else I realized when it came in is that this is actually the chromatics material, and I am just in love with this print in the chromatics. It is perfect together. I love it. And I will show you guys all that detail up close in just a minute. So I do have the JuJuBe Be Right Back here to share with you guys, and I have it packed up as if I am going to Disney with my family because I feel like this bag is just so perfect for Disney. Not just the print, but the actual bag style is perfect for Disney. It holds tons of stuff. I have this bag loaded with snacks, which is so perfect for the Sensational Snacks print. As you guys can see here, this is the chromatics material. It is like a canvasy type of material. It is still machine washable, easy to keep clean, which is great for places like Disney and theme parks. But look at all the characters eating lollipops, pizza, ice cream sundaes, caramel apples, hot dogs. I mean, it's just so perfect for Disney because, as you know, Disney is well known for having the best treats at their locations. So as I mentioned, I do have this bag packed up for Disney or for a theme park. So this is to give you guys some ideas if you are planning to go and do a theme park as a family. I have this bag packed for my 3 boys and myself. And my husband would probably throw his wallet and stuff in here. That's basically all he ever carries, and maybe he would carry his own water and things like that. But mostly this has my stuff and the kids' stuff in it. So let's go over some of the features of the JuJuBe Be Right Back. So one of my favorite things is actually the very top grab handle here. I love being able to grab a bag in and out of the car or up off the ground with the grab handle instead of just pulling up on the straps, because this is just easier on the bag. So I love this padded grab handle up here. You have 2 nice D-rings on the sides here. So if you were going to take this bag and hang it from your stroller, you can definitely do that if you have stroller clips. And if you had a messenger strap, you could even use this bag crossbody or over the shoulder if you needed to. On the side here, you have a nice deep bottle pocket. You have one on each side. So there's one and there's the other. On the front of the bag here, you have a double zipper opening. This goes all the way down to even under the bag just a little bit on each side, and this opens all the way like a suitcase. So when you do open your bag, I suggest you either only open it about halfway to access your things, or if you want to use it the way I like to, I actually lay my bag down flat and open it like this and open it so that I can access everything. That's how I personally like to do it with this bag, but you can definitely open it to where it's just only like halfway down the front. So you have those 2 zipper pulls there. You also have a tech pocket in the front here. This one happens to have a super cute little Mickey head. I will zoom in on that so you guys can see. Isn't that just adorable? I do want to mention, be very careful when you use this one because it can totally poke your finger. So you can put your finger in like this to open it, which is how I think you should do it, or you can grab it like this. Do not put your finger in there to these edge pieces because they will poke you. That happened to me earlier today when I was packing this bag and it was painful, so just keep in mind to be careful with those particular pulls. But I think there's only one of those on this particular bag. You also have a double zipper opening here on the very front. And this is your mommy pocket. It has all the space that you need for your personal things that you want to keep away from everybody else's things. You also have a front flap opening here. This is a great place to keep an ID if you need to, like if your bag gets lost, you want to keep an ID card here to let people know how to return it to you. You can also keep park tickets and things like that in this very slim front pocket here. And one of the things that I love about the new tags that JuJuBe is doing is that they're like enamel tags with the brushed hardware. It is so attractive, so classy. I love it. And I love that they did the black and gold with this. So yes, there is brushed gold hardware. It's a very muted type of gold, which I love. I do not like shouty, shiny golds. And this is just the perfect tone. I love it. Also on the very top of this bag, you have this zipper that goes across the top. This is like the little hidden pocket that I love to keep like my phone in and anything else that you want to grab quickly and easily. This is a great pocket for that. It's even a good place to keep your wallet so that you have easy access to it when you need it. Now let's move on to the back. On the very side here, you have a zipper that goes the length of the bag all the way down from up here to about right here. And this is where you usually would keep your change pad, which actually comes with this bag. So you have a, look at this lining, you guys. Isn't that the cutest? Got all the characters right there in the front. I love it. And then they're just kind of sprawled out here and there on the rest of the print. But this is a memory foam change pad, and it is included with this bag. So I wanted to mention that. We are past the stage of using those, but I love that these bags come with a memory foam change pad. They are so nice. So this is the back of the bag. You have a breathable mesh on the very back here. So that just helps keep your bag a little less sweaty and well padded, so it's comfortable to wear. You have these beautiful straps, and they are padded with memory foam, and they have the breathable mesh here as well. These are super adjustable straps. So that is a look at the outside of the bag, you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into the packing portion of this video. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually start with this back pocket here. This is where I have my son's Kindle Fire 7. Now I assume if we are out and about and we are stuck in lines, then this would be a great thing to have on hand. This is full of educational games and shows and things like that to keep him busy. So this is for Colton, my 4-year-old. The other boys don't actually have anything in this bag to entertain them. I mean, they're old enough to behave themselves, is how I see it. So on the sides here, I have a bottle of water, one for my oldest, Caleb. He loves blue, so he gets the blue one. On the other side here, I have one for Colton, my 4-year-old. He also has a blue one. This one's a little bit different. I will try and link everything down below for you guys in this video. If you see something you like, there should be a link down below. I also wanted to mention this bag, and all the other ones that come in this print should still be available on Shop JuJuBe. And I would love if you guys would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that anytime if you want to help support my channel. So thank you to everybody who does shop through me. I really appreciate it. So now that we've gone through the outside bottle pockets, let's go ahead through the secret pocket on the top. So like I said, this is one of my favorite pockets. I've got lots of things in here today. So I actually have 3 lollipops. I'll go through those first. I got Tootsie Pops. So this is just to reward my kids if they are behaving extra good by being patient and things like that. It's nice to have a little treat for them when they're being good. So I have those. Also on top here, I have my wallet. I do not like keeping my wallet in front pockets and things like that at theme parks. So normally I would keep it in the front here if I'm out and about in town, but at theme parks, I really don't trust anybody. So in here, this is my wallet. This is the small piece of the All Set. It is from the Beyond collection. I absolutely adore the Beyond collection. It's vegan. It's so soft, like buttery soft. I love it. Vaccination card down in there. I have a couple of really random cards that I couldn't figure out what else to do with. And then I have my coffee break wallet here. This is in the biscotti print. It is so cute. I actually think this looks really good with this print as well. So in here, I just have some cash on top, ID cards on one side, credit cards on the other. Also in this pocket here, I have my small piece from the Limea brand Trifecta. This color looks fabulous with this print, and I have a review for this whole set over on my channel, and I will link it right here for you guys. You can go check it out. So in here, I actually have all of our face masks, because I am not sure what all the theme parks rules are right now, but we want to be able to have these on hand if we need them. So I have 5 in here. I have my 4-year-old, my 10-year-old, mine, my husband's, and my 7-year-old's mask in here. And this is just the right size to carry all those. So I have that. That is all that I have in this pocket on top, but it's nice and roomy and deep. This pocket on the inside of the bag actually goes down into the bag, and it also has, I will show you guys in just a second because it's hard to explain, but it is attached to the pocket on the inside that has the straps. So keep that in mind. If this is your first time seeing a Be Right bag, it'll make more sense when I open the bag. So let's go ahead and go through the very front pocket here. Once more, being very careful to open this. Don't want to get poked again. I have my phone. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro. This is fairly good size. I had it standing up and down in this pocket. One of the things that I really like about the tech pocket in this particular print is that it's It's a light color. Normally, like I am so used to this piece being black. I love that it is a light color so I can see down in there. Look at that. It's perfect. I love that. So that is a nice deep and tall pocket. I don't have anything in this very front pocket here. Let's open the zippers. This is the mommy pocket. This is one of my favorite mommy pockets in all of the JuJuBe bags. It has tons of organization, lots of space. It just has a place for everything. So in this top elastic pocket here, I have some tissues. In the sunglass case, I actually do have my sunglasses. I cannot go to a theme park without these. Next to that, you have your key leash. So I have my keys on there. Next to that, I have a small set piece. I have this here in the Sensational Snacks print. I love it. It is so cute. This is my favorite print placement on the entire print. Daisy and Donald are my duo. I have loved them the best for forever. In here, I just have things for me that I need to get to quickly and easily. So I have a little pill case in here. I don't know about you guys, but when I go to theme parks, I always get a headache. I don't know if it's because the rides are so loud or the kids never stop talking, but I have some Advil in here for me, allergy medicine, and things like that. It's a must-have. I also have hand cream, lip gloss, chapstick, a folding hairbrush, and all that good stuff down in there. Also in the mommy pocket here, can you guys see this mesh elastic pocket down here? This is just a little extra secure pocket. Down in there, I have a little hand sanitizer because we are definitely gonna need that while we're there. So that is all that I have in this pocket, but it is such a great pocket. I love the size of it. That is all that I have on the outside of the bag. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. Now, as I mentioned, I like to open this bag laying flat. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, you guys, so this is the best I can do for an aerial view. Let's go ahead and unzip this bag. Like I said, it opens all the way. This is how I have the inside. I do want to mention, if you have this front part here, you can put cloth diapers, you can put extra clothes, you can put a blanket in here. This thing can be used for all kinds of things, but it zips all the way down and it's got mesh on both sides so you can see what's inside. I don't usually use this space for anything, but I did want to throw out those options for you guys because I have seen other people in the past use those. So this is how I have this packed up. I did need one extra water for my son, so this is for Jensen, my 7-year-old. He loves green, so he gets the green one. The ones that I had on the outside of the bag, my 10-year-old and my 4-year-old grab for their waters the most, so I wanted to have those on hand quick and easy for them so I don't have to open the bag each time and try and grab that. But the way I have this set up, you can totally use this standing up as well. I just wanted to show you guys how I have it set up like this. So as I mentioned before, this is that pocket that goes in from the top pocket over here. So if you're going to use this to hold wipes and things like I am here, because I have to have wipes on hand, especially at theme parks. You never know who's gonna have a mess. But this is my Wipe Pouch 30. That fits great in there. If you have another brand wipes case, you can totally fit that in there too. Or you can roll up a blanket, put a sweater in here. This has all kinds of uses, but this is elastic right here. But if you do fill up this spot with like something really big, then you're not gonna be able to use these straps, and it is going to take up a lot of space in the top of your bag there. So just keep that in mind. So on top here, I actually have my large set piece in these Sensational Snacks. I love my print placement on this one. I think it's so cute. Once again, I've got Donald and Daisy over here. So in here, I actually have a change of clothes for my son. It is getting cold out. So if he does have a spill or something and he messes up his t-shirt, I have a long sleeve t-shirt. These bags can actually hold quite a bit, believe it or not. So this is a size 5, I believe. Yeah, he's growing fast. This is a size 5 long sleeve thermal t-shirt that I was able to fit in there along with a pair of underwear, just in case, you never know, I have that rolled up. I also have a pair of sweatpants. Can you believe I was able to fit that in there? I promise if you roll things, you can make it work. This is also a size 5. They're a good size, and this all fit into a large set piece. I also have one more thing in there, and it is a pair of socks, just in case. So that was the large piece, you guys. Only other thing that I have in here is this. This is the large piece from the Be Organized. As I mentioned, I have a lot of snacks in here and there is a very good reason for that. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And then I want to show you guys what the inside of this bag actually looks like. So here you go. You also have one elastic mesh pocket in the very back here. So you can choose whatever you want to put in there, but this bag actually holds quite a bit. So I'm just loving it for places like theme parks. This is my go-to style bag. Okay, you guys, this is the large Be Organized piece. You can see it has the print all the way around. It has a double zipper opening with a super cute Mickey head pull on one and then the regular one on the other one. The bottom of this bag also has the print and then the top is mesh so you can see everything through it. So you can already see I have those snacks and I have these 3 drinks here. So let's go ahead and go through. This thing holds a ton of snacks and it, like I showed you, does fit in the very, very bottom of the Be Right bag. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is what I have going on. So on the very top here, I have 3 Z-bars. My kids love these. I have 3 apple juices standing straight up and down in there. I also have 3 applesauces standing up and down there. So in the very front of these containers here, I have 3 fruit snacks. And then as you can see, I have 3 Systema sandwich containers and they each have a sandwich in them for the boys. And the best thing about this is, yeah, it's heavy, but as the kids eat it throughout the day, the bag gets lighter and has more space. So that is great. So that's all that I had in my bag. So that is my review and packing video for the JuJuBe Be Right Back diaper bag, packed for Disney in this super cute new Sensational Snacks print. If you guys want to shop Sensational Snacks or anything else that you saw in this video that you loved and gotta have, I will link you guys down below. And I'd love to hear down in the comments below, what is your must-have, favorite, gotta have it item that you take whenever you go to theme parks? Let me know. Thanks for watching.